Recently, some customers inquired about plywood veneer. I recommended engineered veneer. Engineered veneer is wood veneer made again. Engineered veneer can produce different color after treatment. Engineered veneer has no wormholes, scars, color differences, and other defects that exist in natural veneer. The size can be large or small. Can meet the size as you need. First, the logs usually use poplar. Use our veneer peeling machine, peeling into veneers and then dried. 2. Dig holes and repair those veneers, such as knots and wormholes on the veneer. 3. Glue in veneers. Glue in each piece of veneer. Can add different color in the glue as you need. 4. Press. Glued veneer is pressed on the press machine. 5. The wood cube needs to be sanded around the surface. 6. Slicer. According to different uses, the wood is sliced into thin veneers. The mean thickness 0.13 mm, and the max thickness can be 2 mm. Then sorting and grading the veneers. Finally, package. Ensure the veneers not damaged during transportation. If you need this product, please feel free to inquire.